Well, that's a good spot to start at. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. I'll save you $5 just for watching the video. It's about Genesis, done for you, set and forget AI or artificial intelligence sites using Amazon. So as opposed to the getting in physical products and storing them and selling them and all the headache that's involved, this relies much more on the affiliate marketing part, and it uses Amazon for both traffic, creating reviews, and AI to optimize the sites that they're going to create to send it right back to Amazon to make more money because they've seen the reviews. It's optimized for conversion rates. So it's a $17 product. There's a $5 discount coupon code. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a bit of information about the Genesis itself, and then about the upgrade offers that are possible. Then you click the product box and you're here at this site. Just shows like a black thing in behind. So we'll see how this works. They show you the pop-up there. And the pop happens, you go to that site, run your cursor to the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and up pops a $5. Don't click on the X in the corner. Just get up there with your cursor, and up pops a $5 discount coupon code. Let's go inside. See if I can do this for you. Get rid of that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here we are at the Genesis site. Amazon AI Site Builder exploits Amazon for set and forget AI sites with free traffic. I'm going to screen past the blah, blah, blah. You're going to make millions from Amazon. I will show you here. There's an upgrade offer right there, which is, so you're going to save $5. You can spend $10 to add the $1,000 a day AI traffic machine, make some extra. And again, these numbers, every time they talk about, we're going to make thousands, you're going to make hundreds, you're going to make all of those numbers, put them out of your head. Look to make $50 a day, look to make $20 a day and increase your, and keep working on it, right? When they say thousands, millions, hundreds of thousands, put all of that out of your head. Maybe the very first guy who got this software did that. Maybe when they had first mover advantage, but now they're selling it on the open market. So there'll be hundreds of people trying this kind of method. So A, get in fast, B, work it hard, and C, have a reasonable expectation of success. And what I mean by that is it's a one-click thing to create sites. I think it said here 175 different niches. So yeah, choose from 175 selling hot niches. You can add a new niche, and it's going to create one button, and bam, it artificially intelligent goes to work. And again, I'm going to skip past this. They're showing you making $8,000. Do you think you're going to sell 1,972 items this month? Nope. That's great to see that somebody did, or that it's possible. But I want to screen past all this. Amazon's great, making lots of money. I think, there we go. This is the part that's going to interest you, is Amazon sending them the traffic. And because it converts better, because people are looking for reviews. So once they see a review, Amazon actually makes more money by sending it to you for the review than to them for the fulfillment. They make more money than just going straight to them, if that makes sense. So artificial intelligence does the work, and Amazon is a kind of partner in this, in the affiliate side, and as well as sending traffic. So done for your sites. They're going to, and I'm just coming down. I want to come down here where it shows. Yeah, okay. I think this is about where it is here. There we go. So here's what's included. There we go. Okay, so done for your sites. Traffic from 99 sources in one click. They have tutorials. They have everything set up. No hosting needed. All of it's put together. And again, it's $17 minus $5. It's $12. We're not at the right spot, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to stop right there. $17, $5 off discount, exit pop discount coupon code. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can read a bit more about it there. Then click the product box, and you'll be here. Wait for it to fully load. Run your cursor to that X. It's in the upper right-hand corner. Grab a $5 off discount coupon code. Bring it down to $12. Make money from Amazon in partnership with Amazon, and you don't have to store anything. No physical products. You're doing it as an Amazon affiliate. Check this out. Artificial intelligence puts out high converting sites for you, and that's the big score in this. So check it out. The link is in the video description. For Genesis, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.